Hey friends, if you encounter the error, application has been blocked from accessing graphics hardware in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, one thing that you need to do is update the dedicated graphics card if you are using it before anything else. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for the display adapters. Right click on the first one, update driver and search automatically for drivers. Right click on the second one, search automatically for drivers. Next one is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So we have a script for it, which is msdd.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Press the Windows key and the R button together and paste it here, hit enter. Then click on next and it will start detecting the problems. The next solution is to enable the hardware graphics acceleration. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display and then scroll down, click on graphics, click on change the default graphics setting and make sure that this is on. Earlier we even had an option to set it for different applications, but now it will simply be on for all applications at once. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.